Welcome to Health Hut. Today we are making an amazing tangy homemade mayonnaise. This will take you less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. For this recipe you only need 8 ingredients: salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, any oil of your choice. I've chosen avocado oil today, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 lemon and 1 egg. You'll need an immersion blender, also known as a stick blender. Carefully crack 1 egg in a tall jar. Don't use a bowl. Now you can add your 250 milliliters of avocado oil, but you can also use grape seed or olive oil. Add the ingredients without disturbing the egg. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. This adds to the tangy flavor. Don't whisk or stir yet. Now you can add your 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. You can add your salt and pepper now. And if you want to add sweetener for a little bit sweeter taste, you can add sweetener or maple syrup, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Carefully submerge your blender into the bottom of the jar and blend on a low power for about 20 seconds without moving it until you see most of the jar has turned white. Then slowly start to move the blender upwards. Without lifting the blender out into the air, go up and down like this for a few times until the mayonnaise forms. And don't forget your lemon. I usually forget it, but luckily you can add it afterwards, and this also adds to the tangy flavor. Homemade mayonnaise contains no preservatives, so it doesn't last as long as store-bought mayonnaise. If you keep it in the refrigerator, it will last about 12 days.